What's this? You can probably tell by the title of the video. It is the Ansel 8310 OBD II code reader. When your check engine light comes on, this thing will tell you why it came on and point you in the direction on how to fix it. This one was only $35 on Amazon and will potentially save you a trip to the mechanic. Why pay them to tell you what the scanner reads when you could read it for yourself? Now let's go try it out and see what we get. So the first thing we gotta do is find out where to plug in the DLC connector. That's this thing. Where to plug that into. It's gonna be right down in there. It's just creeping in there. It's just hiding out, waiting to strike your feet when you're driving, cause you a wreck. Look at that. Nice thing about this, it's actually like all braced up against there, so you really just have to slide it in there, and then it pops right on. Alright, it says to turn the ignition on, press any key to continue. I'm going to turn the ignition on. And then hit enter. And it's just linking to the vehicle, waiting for vehicle to respond. Alright. Alright, so now we have this menu with a whole bunch of stuff, but we'll just choose to read codes. You hit enter. And since I've already run this, I believe we'll just do stored codes. And here we go. P0128, which is as you can see in the top right, is a generic code, meaning it's pretty common among vehicles of different manufacturers. And to flip through this, we can go to, in the top right hand corner, you see that 1 out of 2, or 1 of 2. That means it threw 2 codes, so you just hit the down arrow to find the next code that was thrown, which is P0342. Alright, so on the first one, it gives you a little description of what's going on there. Coolant thermostat, coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. And the other one is camshaft position, sensor A, circuit bank 1, or a single sensor. So where do you go from here? You've ran the diagnostics and you've gotten codes and even a description of what those codes might mean, but that still doesn't guarantee that the problem with the car is precisely what is indicated by the code reader. I've provided in the link below, in the description, a resource for basically all the codes known to man, if you want to use that as a resource. But your best bet is to just Google the make of your car, or even on YouTube, and this error code, and get a better idea of what it might mean for your specific vehicle. And you'll have a better idea of whether it's something that you can fix yourself, or if you should be taking it to a mechanic. Thanks for watching. I'm not a car guy, but I will be. Giddy up.